with yourself here, boy.
Let's go, boy.
No, come.
Man, this is badass, man. You mind if I look inside?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh shit, is it, what is it, 5 speed? 4 speed? 4? Dang, gang, look at this. This is real clean. Oh shit. Damn, this is lit. Damn, bro. Hey. This is clean. Go park at Midtown, man, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is crazy right here. What year is this?
76.
76? What is it called? 76 what?
Boss.
Boss?
VW Boss.
Okay, VW Boss. Damn, this is clean, man. I always, this past week, every time I pass by, I've been looking at it.
Yeah, we're only in the Middleton.
Oh, that's you guys?
Yeah.
Man.
He won't be working. He's dope.
Oh, man, so you know what you're doing, man. You know what you're doing. That's what's up, bro. Hell yeah. So this is basically the same thing as Porsche, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They be cooking.
And Lamborghini now. Yeah, right? This is clean, bro. Should we making tacos, man? What's up, man? This for you, Pop. This what he like.
Yeah, for that beard.
Yeah, he like that. Look. Damn, gang. Let me know what you guys think about this, man. This is real clean. Check them boys out. Let me fuck with some B-dubs over there. I got a shitload of them over there. Yeah, this is sick, though. This is sick. Real clean. Man, this bitch was like a Subaru engine, boy. It was real clean.